Hey everyone, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I found my pink ground snakes. There's two still here. Hope you enjoy. I love you all out there. Um, they're my pink little ground snakes. Here the big one's over here, and one's over here. And I'll just pet one. I don't really want to mess with them too much because this is where they stay and live, and they're eating ants and doing their job. So that's cool. And then over here, I noticed in my garden that we have beautiful purple flower vine growing here, and I don't really know the species of it. So if any of you out there know what it is, please comment and communicate. That'd be awesome. And our dawn rose is still blooming, and it has a wonderful scent. So I recommend you get a dawn rose if you love roses. They're one of the best smelling kinds. And over here is the graveyard of Tinkerbell. We placed her here, and it's a beautiful spot for her to rest in peace. And down here we still have some goldfish, but I don't know if I can get them on the camera for you. They're under the rock. It's kind of dark, but we have 3 of them there. I won't be able to get them on camera, I don't think, for you though, because they're under the rock. But over here is our beautiful Zen Zone waterfall. That's pretty. So I hope you enjoy the walk in my garden. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.